In this tutorial, we'll learn how to apply conditional formatting to date columns in Oracle Analytics Cloud and Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence. Conditional formatting on dates helps me quickly spot items that need attention, like orders that shipped late, without scanning every row. In this scenario, I'm reviewing orders based on how quickly they ship and want to ensure we're meeting our shipping commitments. Our policy is to ship each order within 3 days of the order date. To get started, I'll open my workbook in Edit mode. Select the table visualization and then open Conditional Formatting. I can apply conditional formatting to the entire workbook or just to one visualization. For this scenario, I'll apply it to this visualization. I'll create a new rule, name it Shipping Days, and select Ship Date for the column. Now I'll define the first condition. I'll keep the column set to ship date, set the operator to equals, and compare it to the order date column. This means we shipped the product the same day it was ordered, so I'll format it in green. Next, I'll add a second condition. If ship date is later than order date, I'll format it in orange. Finally, I want to flag any orders where we took more than 3 days to ship. For the third condition, I'll select the Days to Shipping column. Set the operator to greater than, enter 3, and format it in red. Then I'll select Save. Now the table clearly shows which orders shipped on time and which ones exceeded our 3-day policy. Now that I've applied conditional formatting to shipment dates, I can focus on late orders right away and prioritize follow-up without sorting or scanning the entire table. Find more videos in this series and additional resources using the links below.